Hey there, developers! Today we're diving into a crucial topic: how to manage technical debt like a pro. Technical debt, the inevitable consequences of choosing a quick solution over a comprehensive one. We all face it, but managing it effectively? That's a game changer. So, let's break it down into 4 main steps: identification, risk analysis, roadmap, and creation of technical epics. First up, identifying technical debt. Regular code reviews and inspections are your best friends here. Look for shortcuts, quick fixes, and lack of documentation. These are all red flags. Automated tools like SonarQube and ASLint can save you tons of time. They detect code smells and duplicated code, highlighting potential debt. Don't forget to tap into your developers' insights. Encourage them to report any technical debt they encounter or create. Also, review past incidents and bugs. Recurring issues might indicate underlying technical debt. Finally, maintain a technical debt register. Document everything: description, impact, potential solutions. Keep it organized for easy reference. Next is risk analysis. Evaluate the impact of each technical debt item on your project. Think about system performance, security, maintainability, scalability, the whole 9 yards. Assess the cost of delay. What happens if you don't address this debt? Future bugs, increased maintenance costs, slower development speed. It all adds up. Prioritize using risk assessment matrices. High-impact, high-cost items should be your top priorities. And involve stakeholders. Their input is invaluable for understanding the business impact and aligning priorities. Now let's talk about creating a roadmap. Start with short-term goals. Quick wins that can be resolved quickly. These build momentum and show immediate value. Develop a long-term plan for more significant technical debt items. Align this with your overall project roadmap and release schedules. Allocate resources specifically for addressing technical debt in each sprint. Even a fixed percentage can make a big difference. Set milestones to track progress and keep the team focused. Integrate debt reduction tasks into your CI/CD pipeline for continuous improvement. Finally, creating technical epics. Convert high-priority technical debt items into technical epics, large bodies of work that can be broken down into smaller tasks. Decompose these epics into actionable tasks with clear definitions of done. Establish acceptance criteria for each task to ensure the debt is fully addressed. Include these tasks in sprint planning sessions. Treat them with the same priority as new features. Use project management tools like Jira or Trello to track progress. Regularly update the status and review progress in sprint reviews. In conclusion, managing technical debt is a continuous process. It requires diligence and strategic planning. By identifying technical debt, conducting thorough risk analysis, creating a realistic roadmap, and defining technical epics, you can mitigate its negative impacts effectively. This approach improves the quality and maintainability of your code base and enhances overall project health and team productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more developer insights.